How many numbers between 300 and 900 are divisible by 17? Now, the first number which comes in this range between 300 and 900 will be 306, which is 17 multiplied by 18. Now, the last number which is there in this range, we can find out by dividing 900 by 17. So 17 fives are 85. So we have 5 remainder and 0. So 17 twos are 34. So we have a remainder of 60. So 52 into 17, we have a remainder of 16. That means we can say that 17 into 52 is equal to 884. So 306 is the first number in this range. 884 is the last number in this range, which is divisible by 17. So now we have to count this. So what we have to do is the last number, that is multiplied by 52, subtract 18 from it, that is the first multiple, and then add 1. Okay. So 52 minus 18 plus 1. So answer comes out as 35. That is option 2. That is your answer.